Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing some Light Yaki clip-ins from Curlsqueen, but first let's get into the unboxing. So with the clip-ins, you'll also receive a detangling brush, a bonnet, and some extra clips. And I just love the quality of all of their items. I have received this brush and bonnet before and I absolutely love them. And for the hair, again, this is their Light Yaki texture and I have it in 16 inches, and these are their clip-ins. They come as a set of 10, and I just love this texture because it really mimics a silk press on natural hair. So I was so excited to get them in my head because y'all already know some textures just do not blend with our hair really well. So I was so excited to see how this one would do. So I am starting off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. I'm just applying this spray from Color Wild to help keep my hair from getting frizzy. Also went in with some heat protectant and just applied that all over my head because I am going to be straightening my hair. Then I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections because I'm going to be doing a blowout first, and I just like to go section by section. So I'm going to be starting with that back section first and then just working my way around. And to me, this is always like a good foundation for if you're going to be straightening your hair. If you do a good blowout, then it'll be less work in the end. And this is another heat protectant that I really like to use. I just spray it all over and it doesn't weigh your hair down, doesn't make it oily, and it definitely does help with protecting your hair. I also decided to go in with a little bit of this nourishing oil from Tymo just because the ends of my hair were a little dry. So I just added a little bit of that and just continued to blow my hair out. So after I'm all done blowing my hair out, I'm going to be straightening my hair using my straightening brush from Tymo. And I did a review on this brush a while back, but I love this thing. Anytime I have to straighten my hair, this is what I use. It just makes the process so much easier and it cuts down on time. You guys will see a little bit of smoke, but that's just from the products that I put in my hair. But you can get so close to your scalp. The bristles, they don't like burn on the edges. So this is really good for your roots. I usually do about 2 passes on my hair and it gets it pretty straight. And for these clip-ins, my hair is going to be in between, so I'm really just going to flat iron the top of my hair, but for the hair in the back, I'm just using my straightening brush. So this is how my hair is looking after I finish using the straightening brush, and as you can see, it definitely got it pretty straight. It's just a little frizzy, but my hair frizzes up so fast and easy, y'all. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the clip-ins, and they do come as a set of 10. I ended up using all 10 for this look, and they come with a different amount of clip-ins on each track. So I'm starting with the longest one in the back, and it's a really easy process. I just unclip all of the clip-ins and then just go ahead and just clip them onto my hair, and they stay pretty well. I didn't have to tease my hair or anything like that, and you can already see from right here that the texture match is just so good. This looks like it's my hair. So I just went ahead and continued installing the clip-ins, and I really didn't part it like straight. I just kind of took my finger and finger parted it, but y'all, just look at this blend. Like, the texture match is crazy. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. So once I got to the front, I just parted a small section for my leave out, and I just did like a little U shape. So I'm going to be doing a side part, and I just installed the clip-ins around this little U area, and it literally fit perfectly. And like I said, I was able to get all 10 clip-ins in. Once I got to where my front leave out was, I did go over it with the flat iron about 2 times just to get it really straight and to have it blend really nicely with the clip-ins. And this is how my little leave out area turned out, and like I said, the clip-ins literally fit perfect in this area. So then I went ahead and parted it, and I'm going to be flat ironing this section as well. And this was so satisfying, y'all. Literally, my hair melts into this Light Yaki hair. The texture match is crazy. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair, y'all. So next, I just added in some curls to give it a little body. And I'm just using like a wide barrel curler and just putting in some nice loose curls. I was really going for just like a super natural look. I kind of wanted it to give like old school sew-in with leave out. And that's definitely what it was giving. Now, no, I had to go in and apply some edge control to my edges. This is actually an edge control that I'll be launching soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. After that, I just took a wide tooth comb and just combed out the curls. And here is the finished look. I'm so in love with how this look turned out. Y'all, the texture of these clip-ins definitely gives real hair. Like, this looks like a fresh silk press. It looks like my hair grew a couple inches overnight. Like, I am definitely impressed with these. These are definitely about to be my go-to for whenever I straighten my hair and want a little extra length. And again, these are the Light Yaki clip-ins from Curlsqueen. I have them in 16 inches and they come in as a set of 10, and I did use all 10 for this look. So a 10 out of 10 recommend. This might be my favorite look that I've done in a while. I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.